Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that what is it called? This is gonna be a relatively short video. I mean, I don't think it's gonna take too long because, you know, I as of right now, I have a pretty, what is it called? A pretty straightforward, bullish case for BTC. As of right now, let me see if I can find any price points right here. 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be the better one, actually.
You told me you were
Alright.
wait.
Am I getting a video?
Oh.
It's okay. Sorry, that was my wife. Let me get off the treadmill too. But a pretty clear case on BTC. I'm basically, to keep it short, I do think it's gonna rally again. I do think we're going back to 57,000. We did create a lower high right here, but you know, as far as momentum goes, it does look like we created a nice solid bottom down here, right? On the week chart, let me change this for you guys. So on the week chart, we're still bullish. On the month chart, we're still 100% bullish. The stochastic created bottoms, but Bitcoin doesn't really have a tendency to drop all that much when it hits bottoms. It tends to just keep rallying higher. So I'm not too worried about stochastic doing tops or bottoms, right? It does look, BTC tends to run a lot of momentum, which is why I trust the MACD a lot more than I do the stochastic, because it's, I don't want to say momentum is hype, but you can kind of correlate both of them, right? Crypto tends to run a lot on hype or momentum, and you know, stocks tend to usually run more on, you know, they used to really run more on fundamentals and technicals, right? But as of right now, they're running more on hype and momentum and stuff as well, right? But you can see down here, right, when we crossed the MACD towards the bullish side, we had this huge run on BTC from right here all the way up, right? And we're about to break that same level. We're around that same level right here. We're about to break it towards the upside. And to show you guys what happened last time on the day chart when we actually crossed this, you know, we ran up. Let me see how much we actually ran up, man. Wait, not drawing. Where is my forecast? So we did, right from the crossing, we did to peaks, we ran up 23,000 points, and we can kind of determine the same thing right now. I mean, the same thing is definitely possible right now, especially with everything being 100% bullish, right? Like there's no reason for me to be what is it called, bearish on BTC. It doesn't make any sense. So we'll set the price right now where it is currently. We'll do like 49,000 just to kind of keep it safe, but we'll do the same thing, 23,000 like 600, right? In 19 days, we'll do it somewhere here. So 23,600 exactly. There you go. Boom. 19 days, 10 days. Let's move it a little bit to the right. We'll do like right here, whatever. 24,000, 26, whatever. Leave it there. That's close enough, right? So, I mean, if I had to guess, because everything is so bullish, my next prediction for Bitcoin would actually be closer to the 75,000 range, man. Like that's just how I see it, right? I think that's going to be the next step, the next place we're actually going. And to kind of confirm that, hold up, I got a little bit of sweat on my phone, so it's kind of hard to touch all these things, bro. But to kind of confirm that, you know, we can actually set up the fibs to kind of help us out a bit, right? So we'll do fibs. We'll put the most recent low down at what, 29,000, and then we'll see where our fibs go. Look at that, almost exactly where we put it. Look at that, 76,000. Look at the fib level. Look at that fib level. I'm so good, dude. I'm so freaking good at this, man. Look at that, 618. The next fibs is the 618 level, and the next place where I put that forecast, 76,000. So I do think as of right now, we're well underway. We're headed to $76,000 for Bitcoin. And that's what, from the 50K, that's a 50% increase, man. That's a 50% increase in Bitcoin. I think it's if I actually had to predict right now, I think I'm calling it right now. I say within the next month or so, we're gonna be going to 76,000, 75,000 Bitcoin. I mean, last time I called the rally up to 50K. It hit within 2 weeks. Of course, that was with Elon's help, because he Tesla ended up buying and stuff. But I do think that, I think I'm calling it right now, within the next month or two, I think BTC is gonna go to $76,000 or $75,000. That's gonna happen in the next month or two. I don't want to say I'm 100% on this, but I say I'm like maybe 80-90% sure that this is gonna happen. I'll probably throw some money at BTC. I'll probably throw like 10K at BTC just to like let you guys know that I'm being serious about this. But it looks like it's perfectly primed to go on the upside. You know, I don't think it's gonna stop. I think it's gonna keep rallying. I like crypto a lot. You know, you guys know how big of a fan I am of doggy, but I think I'm calling it right now. Within the next month or two, we're gonna see Bitcoin at $76,000, and you know, I'll stop it right there.